Hi everyone. Welcome back to Easy Language Routine. Before we start our story today, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss our daily routines. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Are you ready to improve your English? Let's dive into today's story. The Blue Hero. Part 1. My name is Leo. I live in a small house by the ocean. I love the sea very much. Every morning, I go to the beach. I look at the water. I look at the sun. The world is very beautiful. There are many fish in the ocean. There are blue fish, red fish, and big whales. I think the ocean is a magic place. Many people come to my beach. They swim in the water. They play under the sun. They are happy. But today, I am not happy. I look at the sand. I see many bad things. I see plastic bottles. I see old bags. I see paper. The beach is dirty. The ocean is not happy. Why is the beach dirty? Because people leave their things here. They eat and they go. They do not think about the fish. They do not think about the water. This is a big problem for our world. I see a small bird. The bird is near the water. It has a plastic bag on its leg. The bird cannot fly. Oh no, I say. I run to the bird. I take the plastic bag. Go, little bird. Be free. I say. The bird flies into the blue sky. I feel good, but I am still sad for the ocean. I look at the long beach. There is too much plastic. I cannot clean it alone. I need help. I need my friends. I go to my school. I see my teacher. Hello, Mr. Smith, I say. The ocean is sick. There is much plastic on the beach. Can we help? Mr. Smith looks at me and smiles. Yes, Leo, he says. We can make a big change together. The next day, 50 children come to the beach. We have big bags. We walk and we work. We take the bottles. We take the plastic. We talk about the ocean. We learn many new words. After 5 hours, the beach is clean. The sand is yellow. The water is blue. I look at the ocean. I think the fish are happy now. But the work is not finished. Every day, people must learn. They must not use much plastic. They must love the earth. We only have one world. We must protect it. Part 2. The ocean is very big. It is bigger than the land. But the problem is also very big. Leo looks at the water every hour. He sees the blue waves, but he also sees white plastic. The fish cannot speak, Leo thinks. The whales cannot call for help. I must be their voice. Leo sits on the sand. He has a small notebook. He writes the names of the dirty things he finds. 1. Plastic bottles. 2. Plastic bags. 3. Old shoes. 4. Glass. Leo goes to the town center. There are many people there. He sees a big market. Many people use plastic bags. Stop, Leo says in his head, but he is shy. Then, he thinks about the little bird in the forest of plastic. He feels strong. He goes to the front of the market. He stands on a chair. Please look at me, Leo shouts. People stop. They look at the young boy. The ocean is our home. The water gives us life. But we give the water our trash. This is not good. A man asks, What can we do, little boy? We need bags for our food. Leo smiles. We do not need plastic. We can use paper bags. We can use cloth bags. We can use one bag many times. This is the first step. The people talk. They look at their plastic bags. Some people say, he is right. Leo feels very happy. He sees his friend, Mia. Mia has a camera. She takes a photo of Leo. I can put this on the internet, Mia says. Many people can see your message. The next week, something magic happens. Not only Leo's friends, but also people from other towns come to the beach. There are 100 people. There are 200 people. They all work together. They work for a long time. They find old nets from big boats. They find thousands of small plastic pieces. The work is hard, but the people are strong. They sing songs while they work. Suddenly, Leo sees something under a big rock. It is a large sea turtle. The turtle is very old. It looks at Leo with big eyes. The turtle has a piece of plastic in its mouth. Leo goes to the turtle very slowly. "It is okay," he whispers. Leo takes the plastic out. The turtle moves its head. It goes back into the clean blue water. Leo watches the turtle. "This is why we work," he thinks. Night comes. The moon is big and white. Leo sits with his mother. They look at the clean beach. "Mom," Leo says, "can we save the world?" His mother kisses his head. "One boy, one bag, one beach at a time, Leo." "Yes, we can."